Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So today I would like to talk about consistency. On this note, I remember one one just slogan you can say. That slogan it's in Hindi, but I don't remember fully. Karat karat abhyas like this way, but I don't remember because I heard it years and years ago when I used to be a student. Then I heard this slogan, but I don't remember, and for that I would like to apologize because I don't remember that Hindi slogan. In Hindi, we can say Hindi Doha, but it's really factual because that slogans meant was practice makes a person perfect. Okay, and that's the reality. So I was talking about the consistency. Consistency is, I can say, the crucial part here, and it comprises of the practice. The more you practice, the better you can become. And here's some people, they just lose their hope. They just start feeling demotivated just because of discontinuity, because they are not really consistent. They don't have that continuity. They don't have many strategies to follow their passion or whatever they are trying to learn. Let's suppose they try to learn English language or any other skill, and if they are not giving their 100%, they are somewhere reluctant. So I don't think that there is any other method or way that they can just get their goal. So anything you do in your life, you need to be really consistent. If you're not consistent, I don't think that you are going to get your result, and there that time your result will be visible to you. And it is a human nature. When we start something, we have just set out to do something in our life. It's a totally novel thing, and initially we have so much passion, interest, engagement, dedication as well that time. So we are brimmed with so many such positive emotions, and we want to do something. We are trying to put unwavering efforts, and we do so as it is our nascent stage. It's our beginning stage. This is why we are so much passionate and full of that energy. Okay, and that's really great. That's so amazing, so majestic. But here I would like to say, when you just throughout the day, throughout your journey, you are on the same process, and you are relentlessly trying to put in efforts, and you are doing it. You are doing it. This means you are going to get your goal. But one other thing, kind of, I can say, the expectations that time form up, build up. That is all about that result. How can I get that result so soon? I need that kind of result, that kind of scenario that I have set for myself. The prompt result we want. But see, we have that desire, a big desire, but you are not putting efforts the way you earlier used to put in your initial stage. And amidst that journey, you just lost your passion, lost your interest. Then what's next? Nothing. There is totally voidness, because you could not just maintain your interest throughout that process, amidst that process. So this is it. If you really want to do something in any field, you want to get a very good command over English language, you want to elevate your confidence level, so you need to be doing something in the form of consistency. It's not about to be really perfect, it's about to be really consistent. If you are utterly consistent to do anything in your life, you're going to get that. You're going to acquire your goal that you have desired for yourself. And this is so workable. you know this is the only thing, meaning the practice is the only thing that will lead you to the desired result, not your inspiration, not your the kind of interest only. Meaning, having interest, having passion, to some extent it's okay, it's all right, but on top of that you need to be practicing. Practice more. Do the practice of speaking if you really want to get the hang of it. You want to have a very good command over English like this, so do something for that. Elevate your confidence level by getting into the conversations, by doing the self talk. There are so many ways, so many methods to follow. It is you need to decide what way you want to choose to follow your passion, to just witness that desired result. For that you need to be doing something. So I would say again that you need to be really consistent and putting your unyielding efforts in that. That will get you your desired result. So thank you so much for listening me. Until then, peace out.